Me I go still be true, me I go still be real, me I go still be authentic. Me I go share, you know. Yes, what me I say, my own dilemma them, and me I go still point out the atrocities against other people. Me I go still point out, you know, social issues when me think say, yo, want correct. You see what I say? Me not get everything right, but you know, say from me say it, I come from a good place. So me I be honest with you, know, 100% honest with you. Know. Me not short change, me not lie to you. Know. I don't know that already too. I know so me not gonna lie to you. Know. You see what I say? Because I don't have nothing to lie about. I don't have nothing to gain from lying. Because if I want to tell lie, I not tell them type of lie. If I want to tell lie, I tell lie where can get me views and likes and them something. I not tell them type of lie. You understand me? I say, notice me not publicize my relationship on internet. You never yet see me publicize, you know, my relationship with my woman on the internet, and I say, yeah man, my woman this and kiss up and my bag of something. You see what I say, be? Because I don't want to live no, you see what I say, I don't want to live a fake life, I want to live real. Understand me? I say, I want to live real people. So this is the start. So here we go on now. This youth, you know, where I get up the day before yesterday and I talk to my youth and him just tell me some things that I just feel like John was star. So I say, is that I just a feeling pain people and I just say, yo, yeah? I link the boy, you know. How I get to link the boy, you know. I do the investigation from how long pan the youth, you see? Because we don't get the scoop from about 3 months ago. Because I'm telling mother last year and him telling me this year. See? Because I hide it from me. Because I know some stance on certain things. You don't know me believe in the traditional way. You see what I say? I believe in a traditional marriage, woman and man thing, and that, and my thing that. You understand me? I say so. Based on even how he was blackmailed, him still have it in his mind, say, yo, him father go down with him if him father find out all certain things. You understand me? I say? So he hide it from me. You see me? I say, I saw it when him tell me and he tell me no, and I know me have to deal with it. You see me? I say, I have to take a different approach to life. It's a good thing, me never did really out here burn no fire upon victims and them things, them always a fight for them. So it sits better with me, you know, talking about it now, so I don't really come off as a hypocrite. Like, no, you know, look how you out there burn out people and look what happened to your son. You understand what I say? So, you know, that's what I say, purpose, you know, purpose is everything, people. You see me, I say, it's like me I fight the fight, I don't know, so the fight, I go reach, you know, my, you know, doorstep. But one of them things there. So me get up and me and say, yo, you know, how me I get justice for them youth? Because here we go on now. As me did that telling you from yesterday, but me that telling you in a more depressed state, and me more up now, because I get a little hour and a half, 2 hours sleep on the plane. See? And I get a little dream. So when you get a little dream, them say you have the REM sleep, right? Rapid eye movement. When you get a little dream, you know say you're in a deep sleep. You see? So I miss all the food and everything on the plane, so I get a little 2 hour deep sleep. You know, if you can call it that. So I feel a little bit better, yeah, than a few days ago. Because a beer, you know, toss and turn and be things that flash in my mind and my brain feel like it's going to explode. I get memory, all of them things that bother me, see? So, I talk to my youth and I say, yo, I page a boy, you know, because I have to do it now. Why I have to do it now? Because there was a woman in our circle, I Imhotep. See, me, Imhotep, Robert, see, in Sandy, we have a little social circle where we reason with people, see? We have a daily reasoning also. So we reason for social issues, and we circle very educated. We learn a lot of them, take me through college, or them take me through university. Them really, you know, when it comes down to education and them things, that's our circle, where I could deal with straight scholarship, you know. Robert, we had him challenge every day. You see me? So it's a healthy, you know, circle to be in. So the sister, you know, she come on the social media and, you know, we realize that, yo, she's very argumentative, and sometimes that's good, you know, because it gives you another perspective on things, and we don't want just be in a circle and every man just agree upon one thing. See? So as so now, we move her over upon the WhatsApp group from out of the social media. So I really upon the internet we meet her, so you have to be careful how you meet people on the internet. Because enough of them you see out there, a devil that look, you know, like virus look a host, you know, for multiply, you know. And that happened to me. Is that the virus I look a host to multiply and find me, you know, as a host and multiply. See? And that's how it goes. But a virus, you can get rid of it same way. You just need some things to get rid of the virus there. See? some antivirus, see? So when the virus enter the circle now, boom, boom, and we reason for everything and blah, 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 blah. But when this happened to me, we done see some sign with the virus already, and I say, yo, me not think the virus, me not think is a you know, is a healthy cell, this, you know, I think that cell, you know, full of virus. So I try delete it out of the space. I delete it out of my world, you know. I delete the virus. So I delete the virus, you know. But you know, like when computer catch virus and you know clean it properly, and it still slow down the computer and it's still so I not delete the virus properly because the virus ended up back in my circle. Because I do a live and you know, the virus still want to live in the host, so the virus come and say, yo, what happened to you? You look so rude. I say, yo, John, I'm good, man. The virus, I said, no, man, something wrong with you, man. What happened to you? So I start, you know, break down because you don't know it's fresh. Them time that fresh. I just have to, you know, drop down the ground, beer things, and I say, Jesus Christ, what is God? Zane, so I come so boom now I share it with the virus, and I say, yo, wicked this thing reach me youth, you know. Zane and the virus say, Lord Jesus Christ. So it 2 hours start, you know, boom, reason. So I start leaning on the virus. And when I know it means a host, and the virus now, you know, gets stronger. Because now weak, the cell, you know, the system becomes weak. And when the system becomes weak now, I saw the virus spread. So the virus basically take me over. Because I share this now with the virus, and I say, yo, and not even my youth alone, you know, other youth involved, you know, because I talk to one more youth and the youth story parallel with my youth story. So I know so I don't make up thing. Because you don't know when you hear certain thing, you know, jump and just go start blah, 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 and go kill people and rape. Because we're more grounded than that, you understand me? I say, because we don't want to do no wrong move. So we have to investigate the thing thoroughly. Zane, so me come so boom and show Imhotep. So I show Imhotep now. Imhotep I say, John, no star, we have to get to this in a Subi. Zane? But the virus, when the virus come to my space, the virus now knows me share it with Imhotep already, you know. So when we know say the virus now dangerous. It's the blood cleat. Me just share the virus like just a little while, you know. And by me come off of the phone, the virus run go and tell Imhotep. You see? Me I say, fuck. This no good. This no good. Anyway, I say, John, I go to show one circle and Ray, she go to things and me tell him, so she run go tell him. So I say, yo, boom. Anyway, I depend on live and we reason about Queen Africa. I say, John, no star, enough people where you see out there, we end up certain way at through molestation, you know, because we have to realize where Queen Africa go through, she could have turned she into one of them same people that were out there where people always have burn out. So me I say, me not burn no fire upon nobody when me see end up certain way or live certain life because me don't know where them go through for reach to the stage where them at, because some people are being victimized from an early age. You understand me I say? So when me say that now, the virus I said, no, them fi dead, burn them up, gas them, light them. So me I say, no, me not believe in that be. See that time with the pan Rick Storm channel, and I say, no, we not believe in that be. We not believe in that. Nah, kill nobody for them lifestyle. Me not agree with it, but me not kill nobody. See, and if me I say, if my youth end up a certain way, because them go through something, me not kill my youth, me I go love my youth same way and dead for my youth and try to get help for my youth. No, burn them up. So I say, burn them up. What you mean burn them up? Yeah, gas them, dash them in a fire. So I start feel away, you know, me I say, Jano. So I call Imhotep when I come off and live, I say, Imhotep, you know, so that girl is evil. And I link Dottie and I say, Dottie, you know, so that girl is evil. Zane, because Dottie, I want our next brother when I share certain things with us, a big man. Zane, me not even tell Dottie where at me yet, you know. I know Dottie must just know, like, what I go on, you know. Because Dottie, I will virgin, but through Dottie, they come out of the circle one time, you know, say, yeah, we not share certain things with Dottie. See? Because we don't know if Dottie really want to be a part of the circle. See? We don't know that bright scholar, you know. So, me leave it alone. Next night, me I do a next live on my page now, the virus. I said the same thing them like, but me I said, hold on there. Oh, you just said that something there, so. Knowing what my son, me tell you 2 days ago, you just said that something there, I said that something there, so. Say, no, them for dead, burn them up, kill them, gas them, light them. So me I said, So me now I try interject now and I try say something. The virus I overtake me. So me I say, burn them up, gas them, light them. Boom, boom, bam, bam, bam. Remember say me a ball on the virus shoulder, you know. Break down. Can't yam, can't sleep. So me I hear that as a father now. Me I say, John won't star. See? The woman that want me kill my pitness star. If that should happen. Because remember, I say to this point, you know, just molest, we know say get molested, you know. You understand me? I say, we don't know nothing else about nothing else. Because him now go come to me, come share certain things. I say, yo, dad, him just break, it fresh. Because I say, we not deal with nothing else. We are deal with this now. We don't know where go up and down the road. We don't know what else him go tell we. We just deal with this now. We know say as a youth we get molested when he was 7. And we know say other little youth get involved. But that's how we there. Right? Other little youth got molested too. You see, me show the virus and me talk to some. It's like me have no reason for disbelief so my son. Because the next youth I share something similar. You see? Same blackmail, same whatever. When we get to that, look a bit. So when we come to boom and go on the virus, Instagram. No, me I follow the virus by Instagram. Every morning me get up people. Gas them and light them, burn them. Every morning, you know. Like for 1 week, you know. Me I say, you know, sir, I'm a youth that girl attack. So me just come to boom and black her, because you don't know my head. My head not good. Me have think for go take up a gun and go look for the youth. Me I think all kind of things as a father, you know, so them there I think. So me I say, either she want me go kill the youth, and she now knows say I me do it for have that, or whatever, like she try mad me. me feel like me I go insane people. One voice I say, one voice I say, because every morning me get up, me see the girl put up a post. Gas them and light them, burn them, put up Tisha and a bonfire. Me I say, where the bumbo click this God? Can't have that girl in my space. Me nah go heal. Me go get myself in that problem. So me block her. That's it. You see that block the people leads to which power they right now. But you go on, you see what they meant to be bad for you turns out to be good, you know. You see what the wicked, yeah, meant to be bad for you, meant to be destruction for you, meant to be for rob you out, meant to be for cancel you, that turns out to be good. Understand that, you know, because the wicked, you know, them will loud and they will group up and they will look nothing about here we go now, them can't prevail. And every man have to go deal with them judgment. Even me. Everyone that we have left the earth and we have to go face with judgment some way. If some face it in another lifetime, yeah, and some face it them generation to come, but there's some judgment for fuckery and wickedness. You see? So where they're meant to be, you know, bad for me, you know, it does create more, you know, answers. It just give more answers to what happened as a father, you know. And I bring awareness to even people who are there around the youth, you know. If you say, even if you don't believe the story 100%, you still have a shadow of a doubt. And I say, yo, now me hear him talk, me not think so me want trust him around my children. Just the mere fact say, him come out, come talk, you know. Just make you as a parent now, if you're a parent, a real parent. Make you have to say, no, you can't stay here, so. You can't stay around my youth. And if you even have, even my wife, if she decide to stay with him, me know so she must have something in her mind. And I say, you know what, I go watch him with them youth, you know. I don't believe what them I say. If she got that point, if she not get it yet, but me know so she have an eye open. You understand what I say? Based on just when him come out, come talk. And the reason why him come out, come talk is because I block the woman. She say a music she a fight over. She say she write all of the song them in the clash. Me not say none. Because if she want to say that, I just saw it go. But me come out now and she talk every day. Yo, me have a big bomb for drop. Me have a big secret. And ask him why he block me. He block me through me a bun funny man. Ask him the real reason why he block me. He block me through me a bun shaky people. He block me through this. He block me through that. Brethren, you a bun shaky people when for 2 years we are linked. And me never block you. But that block you now, me can deal with you in a space as my son for dead. And that's that, you know. Because me not go tell her say your son for dead if something should happen to him, if him get molested. Me I go have sympathy and me go empathize. Me think so that are what real people would do. Even if you feel that way they say them for dead. You're not going to say to a man face where just I got through this the first week me find out. Zin? So, the first, week and a half, so you're not going to say that the fresh pea. Zin? I'm afraid that depression that and them thing that you put me in a bed. So anyway, the black leads to, I me write all of the song them in the clash. Me say, alright, the clash not do nothing for me. Me not go up on stage go sing one of the song them. I don't let me have the song them boss or nothing with nobody for a war about. I know nothing. If you want to take all of them and say you write them, you don't have no problem with me. But me now realize that she use this thing when me tell her about my youth as a weapon. She weaponize it now. So every night she and Bounty Killer vloggers them. Every night me look. Zin, somebody tag me past something. Boom, tag me. Emergency meeting. So she want to talk and tell the people them what happened to my son. For over a month now, people. And she do it every night. Every single night out of the week, she keep an emergency meeting. And I try make it sound like she have some top secret for me in a shaky thing. So she starts say, Imhotep shaky. She starts say, I believe the people them when the things them when them attack. I may have video, I may have this, I may have that. See? So me go do a live and break down how the song them writing at the clash and give her roses and tell the world how she powerful, how she like strong black woman. She can really write for true. Yeah man, and she teach me enough. At that in the video, no disrespect, Just a point out say, yo, yeah man, she teach me whole heap and I learn whole heap from her and she's a perfectionist. Me make all a mistake and she send me back at the studio go fix things and I just show the truth people because I not hide her glory. You see when me start my life, from me go show say. See the conversation them here where we are go back and forth, when the songs them are writing, me I send her melodies and me I send her lyrics to and everything. A World War III people because me never did say nothing because it was not about music. It was to erase me. It was to rub me out. It was to wipe me off of the face of the earth. It was to end my career. But again, people, what people meant to be for bad, God can turn it in a good. Whether they believe in God, Allah, Yahweh, whatever is out there. Energy, whatever. Yeah. Yeah, man. God meant for it to destroy you. So when me come out now and point about the music, it changed from the music, now it's no longer music. Because she said, a music she a fight for. But me give her 20% of the master and his one song release. And the publishing, of course, we are going to split the publishing 50-50. If me I give her 20% of the master. Person will write lyrics, me and look Don said one, I talk about people will write lyrics, forget a share of the master. That is wrong. That is publishing royalties. The person will write, get publishing royalties. Not master, not a share of the master. Even if them get royalties off of the sales of the song, them not own a share of the master. Me don't even own a share of the master for 90% of my hit song them. And I me write the whole of them. So me give the person 20% share of the master, which means you co-own this thing for the rest of its life, for the rest of its lifetime. Nobody no do that in a writing. We're not talking about the publishing part. Publishing royalties is different from copyright royalties. That part then none of we not get none yet. None of we not even talk about that yet. That no sign up or nothing yet. Because I want song release. And she don't have a publisher. So me I wait till she get. We release 3 songs, but me can't get to release the songs them. Through me in this record deal. Me can't get to release none of the songs them. So me want to release 3 songs. So me can sign up our publishing fee and them thing there. And give her the 50% of the writing. Which me would have still give her right now. Even though all of this are gone. Because she contributed. You understand what I say? And I share of the master same way. So when she realized that she don't have no argument, that's no. She said, me no want nothing, take everything. So somebody go comment and say, me this her father. Me no this her father, and me just repeat what she said. Me block her one time and her father tell me say she dead. She meet her car crash and dead. So me I say from the time I should take the sign and take with myself. But me did I look on the story and I said, John Star, sometimes We do some things and we don't know so good at the last day we see somebody or the last day we talk to somebody. So that me not look upon the story as but me misread it. You know, because obviously it was a psychotic behavior. You see, it was an obsession, you know, settings. So me I look upon it and I say, you know, it's a lesson like, you know, over some stupid little argument, you know, for quick fit, you know, delete people and block people. So maybe as a lesson for me, if I be more, you know, have more tolerance. So that me I repeat what she said about, I remember say she come tell the world, say, she do that, you know. And I like me come tell nobody now, she said, you know. She also say her father tell her to rub me out. Obviously she tell her father about my son. So me say, why would her father tell her to come rub me out as a father? You're supposed to say, yo, try cry peace and make everything, you know, distinguish the fire. Anyway, she have bounty killer vloggers them and minions them on her page where she build. Some big people who have children and she just ball out. In call my father name. Friend call my father name Awar. And she went in on my son. He might get fucked from him at 7. Imagine a mother with a son. I said, my son I get fucked from him at 7. Not molested. He might get fucked from him at 7. She forgot talk about her Batman son. He forgot talk about him Batman son. I get fucked from him at 7. And the one named Cyclops where him say a cartel send him. Him jump and take it and start run with it. So him post it up on the page and him realize say, film fan base now take too kindly to it. So him smart and delete it. One ex-policeman when named Skluba, when me I go send the video when post to the correction department when work for in a one of them state, like I'm there for him, I work as a correction officer. So him not fit to be a correction officer, you know, because him not understand say a 7-year-old, you know, getting molested is a serious thing. Not because a boy pitney. Because if it were a girl child got molested, nobody would not behave like that. Them not say it's a girl child get molested and it's normal. So the little boy them we get molested, we don't talk about it and we don't treat it the same way. People want me to stay silent. People are asked why me I talk about it, why me I expose my son, why me not stay private with this. But if it were a girl child got molested and I come talk, everybody that jump up and say, John was star me, oh that film to your daughter, but my son a human being too. And that is the problem in our society when a little boy then get molested. We think it's shameful for us to talk. So them continue to get molested. I'm going to show you the danger, the precedent where we set, you know, for little boys can't talk, you know. It comes with a lot more danger for them than the little girls them. And that's why people always say me shaky, because I know how serious it is. When the little boy them can't talk, girl child them will talk, and people will have more sympathy towards them. Boy pitney, as soon as them talk, like the virus within in my space, I say them fi dead. And them a fish. So them can't talk. Remember say years me I said this when me I beat Mr. Hanson when molest little boy America, you know. Me I say little boys can't talk. So when them talk, we have to support them, we have to stand with them. And make other youth know so them can't talk. So the virus, put it out there, and Missy said it go viral. Not viral. Missy said it spread. Missy few people take it up. Right? So me just jump ahead of it because when the virus never tell them say that we, as me a link with my nephew, right? We have link to the Attorney General in Florida. And we know I try find ways how we can nab the youth or how we can catch him in the act. You know, like when you set up decoys and them thing there. You know, like we have work on that, but it now go just happen overnight so. Because my nephew just, you know, became the president of the Bar Association. So me can't just run him can't just run into everybody and you understand him and take him time and I put him foot down and I get him foot in the thing. Him can't just run with everything so boom one time. So me I link him on every day but me understand say that take a little time. But we know say the youth dangerous because me don't talk to the two youth and me say the youth are dangerous and we don't want him then next door to your son. You know, we don't want him there next door in our neighborhood where he can go molest other children and me go show you how him extort them and blackmail them. Because he's dangerous. You see? Maybe a victim himself. I wonder if you understand me I say. Based on how young he started molesting them. Based on what the youth them a share. You see? So when the germs leak it out, I say, you know what, I go contact the youth here. I go find him. So I call him, no, I text him, I say, yo, CJ father this, you know. I know. You know, so we need to talk about CJ. You see? You're there on the clock. See him, so I say to him, I say, you're there on the clock. I must have sent him a text message, you know, in his phone, you know. I say, you're there on the clock. So him come, so boom on him. Him say, boom, alright. And him give him address. You see? Call him 2 times from, hear the wickedest thing now. Apart of me still want to go, you know? But me can't find, me can't find my license. You see? So I search on your house and I say, John no star. So, I go anywhere. And I reach him and say to me, say, I know where you come about, man. I'm going to tell you how everything go. You see? That's the man said to me, you know. I know where you come about. I'm going to tell you how everything go. Right? First thing he tell me, I have a voice note them. See, he tell me say, I know the same live and him not really, him have to come out to me because I don't really feel in place and him have to come out to me because him know when I come out, him tell me. So I reach him and say, yo, I know you come out, you know, but I don't want to load it up, you know, because, you know, I don't really live here, so I just come down here and rare. See, my wife soon forward. I say, wife? So I say, you don't live here, so? No, man, no one here, so I live. So him start tell me, so I say, I tell you how everything go. We had it pitney. Remember, so I have that story, you know. You see? I tell you how everything go, we had it pitney. As a father now, I say, bumbo clot. How old you were? No, how old you are? Him said 21. When me 21, I say, blood cleat, I'm 21. You see? Him older than my youth, them, but he no by far. So I say, what if them had it pitney for you? Because that as a father now, I say, yo, fuck you, go on. So I forgot just hold that earlier, you know. You see? I just go try help my pitney and just, yo, call it a day, you know, I just know, say, I saw earth run, you know. Pitney get caught up in a fuckery. You see? And you just have to go just deal with it. So I say, you're 21? Him say, yeah. I say, you're married? You have a wife? That's all. So that way, you know. So I say, call your mother. No. No, me can't call my mother. Jesus Christ. You better you kill me, Me can't call my mother. So I say, boy, call your mother. Give me your mother number. So I try come close to me, I say, Zane, don't come like someone, I feel you. Because him thick on them things there, no. Zane, you can't say a boy way you so obviously bigger than the rest of you them. You know them youth the way grow up with and them just muscular and just big and thick other features them have. So me no want him come too close to me, I say, yo. Boom. Just like you see me in the video, I try come down towards me, I just the behavior there. So I say, yo, stay up there, son, man. So I say, where your mother number? Boom, and call him mother. See? Him give me the number, I say, see it, me have your mother number, you know, because me get him mother number from what, you know. Because when my son go to Jamaica go spend holiday, him a link him mother. This way I tell you, him a link him mother for link my son. Me have that story to my son. I said, Dad, the boy a try link me, you know. And I said, don't wild him, man. Tell him mother, figure him number. Just listen to me, I say, you know, the mama, you know. I tell my son, say our son, I try find him. They just sound like, I just, you know, the mother knows that they're my friend and just I try link. But Mark, when me just say a while ago. Because we get back to that. So the mother say, how would this? When I say, CJ father, man. How would this? He did it. Where you want him number 5? So I say him the right answer with me. So I say, tell her, say, forgive me the number, forgive me the age, sorry, tell her, forgive me the age. Where you want him age 5? So I say, tell her, forgive me. So she said, 23. I'm dead. She said 23. So I said, let me say 21. So the age gone further now from my youth age. Zine, and the next youth when I talk to. So I said, so let me say you're 23. You're 21. And you're 23. Which year you born? Like him think about that. Him say, 2020. So I say, so when I did pit me a mess around. So how old was my son? Him said 13. So I say, then if my son at 13, you know about 17, 18? You see? I say, you'll be 17, 18. I must have that stored, you know. You see my bite up himself and I run around internet, you know. You see? So I say, we are a rapist, man. Because now it no longer children that mess around. Because I say, yes, 17, 18. And I say, my son, don't tell me say from him at 17, him at 13, him a molest him. From about 7, 8 years old till him about 13. So I say, call your wife. I say, call your wife. Jesus Christ, you're going to mash up my life now. The man say, the man not worry about prison or nothing, you know. Jesus Christ, you're going to mash up my life and drop a ground. All the camera them in the neighborhood, if we need all of them things, they're going to pick up all them things. The man drop a ground on my car. And I say, yo, better you kill me. Better you just kill me. Better you just kill me. I say, yo, get up, man. Kill you for what? Ground him there. How some if you kill him? But I can't kill him. I mean, not kill him because I know, so you see, any of me kill him. You see the virus right in my circle. We get up every day, I pray for me dead. I go have the victory. And what they meant to be for bad, I go turn out to be good, you know. By the grace of whatever out there. Yeah? We're powerful than I. So I say, hey boy, get up, man. I say, call your wife. Give me your wife number. So when you see camera turn on, you know, see? I try grab the camera now, see? And then I think of say, just go live. And show the world. I say, him just admit to me, you know. I say, me don't need you to believe me. Me don't need the court to believe me. Me don't need no jury to believe me. Me don't need nobody else to believe me. Me, him, and whatever out there. No say, him molest me pitney. Him tell me say molest me pitney. But him tell me say when him at 13. Not a rape. Not a statutory rape. Not because a boy pitney. If a girl pitney a statutory, if a boy pitney a statutory rape. But so, me know say boy know what me say married with pitney now. Me I say, yo, me I go make him wife know say them pitney in a danger, you know. So me say, call your wife. Now ask yourself a question here. The man said on the interview when do. Right? I'll play a piece of the interview. The man said, I could play it first. I could play the interview. Can you see you new links now? You jump out to protect the predator. But you never do a good job. I never do him no justice. You see what you're meant to be for bad, I go turn out to be good, you know. Because them youth away in molest, I go get justice. Based on what the youth them share with me. Yeah, and them ready for talk and them brave. I just talk to one of them. Yeah. So I don't like my son alone, you know. I don't like when you can say me go out there and make up things for my son and me or whatever. I don't like my son alone. As a matter of fact, when I say to him about the next week, I say, so what I'm to such and such, him say, the same story when I tell you, boss then go catch them. As that him tell me about the youth too. He saying go catch him and the youth promise to pay him money. Saying go catch the youth with the next youth and the youth promise to pay him money. And me and him know same tell me that story too. So me not ask you if I'm a predator. Me I tell you say he's a predator. And an extortionist. Which he can confirm. So New Links youth we are doing flagging. When I've big, you see, when I try play investigate and all and something, when I do a better job than when I try to do. If when I go try run that. Me want him talk. Make him continue talk. Because I want him talk. Because what we attack from our side, we not make up nothing, you know. And you see once you tell lie, your lie will keep changing. So keep talking. Because maybe there's a hunger where you can contact now if you try to save your marriage. But if your wife wants to stay with you, she know now where you're going. So I fear choice that. If you leave your own children. But we know, say, we have enough now. Bring it to the people, them, the authorities, them, so them can give an eye on the youths, them, the children, them that you are around. Because you confirm to us that you are an extortionist, the least. We are blackmail little boys. You confirm that to us, you know. So when you think you come out, come clear your name, you actually come tell about a crime where you committed. And implicate other little boys. Or implicate your peers them too. And we're going to tell no this go to. So we could listen to. Is it? We could listen to when cook up.
Cover the story, broadcast the video with Vegas of people. So you know what go on now? The youth name Varney manager reach out to me, my people. They hold a long conversation with me. You understand? I even speak to some family members and thing. You know what I mean? Even family members of this youth who Vegas claim to be his son and thing. Yeah, wish I'm son for real because even grandparents and everybody do, you understand, give the takes and all of that, my people, and I whole conversation hear this. And
now, New Links, you have to go provide with the data with the grandparents them we have the conversation with. So I think say if you have put forward the story that I'm sure are because with the data there, if you are doing field research, I think say you have enough knowledge of in the field where they provide the data the parents them, the grandparents them we interview. Because at the first time they might hear about this. And then when people start calling them and I tell them about it, come go confront the youth. They don't know about it. They never know about it. Cause my son never wants them stressed out and dead. Because the grandmother sick. And the grandfather sick. So me that love you provide the data for that. So we are waiting for the data for that. Because you say you go interview them. So that's how far you go. To save him. But me hope say, you continue to talk to him. Because I guarantee you the same story I got change. Worse, the story that him put out, people not take it. What are they meant to be for good? And we feel good for even laugh today. Because we know say at least one child, mother or father, are going to make certain say him not come around them. Yesterday me a ball, today me a laugh. Because me feel a joy. For know say him come expose himself. So give thanks New Links. But when I try to bring down Vegas, remember me saying I am blessed. I remember say me love my mother. So me my mother spirit or something there protect me. Me don't know what. Maybe that's why I couldn't find my license. Because me that behind bars. You see?
Upon a real of my people, the family them, Vegas own family, you understand? They are saying, boy, Vegas has spread one bag of rumors upon this youth. Yeah?
That is very strong. You have to provide the data with my family where I tell you, say, me I spread rumor upon the youth. Because the only family member outsider, Megs, my baby mother, CJ mother, when know about this, are Ritz. I mean, was say, you no contact Ritz. So you have to provide the data with my family member where you talk to. Because I just want to show the world how you quick to jump and protect predators in a Jamaica. I want to listen to victims. You see what you run out come do? I try to protect the predator, not the victims. And in so doing, expose him. Which one of my family member you talk to, sir? What's the name of the family member? Where is the data? Where is the conversation? Because you can't come tell me now, say them say them want to stay anonymous, you know. You can't come tell me that because you present it. So if somebody say them want to stay anonymous, you have to provide just a family member, so who?
Understand people, not from me, you know what I mean? Not, but based on the fact where me hear from the own family of Vegas, him, you know what I mean? Daddy and all of this for people.
My daddy dead, brother. The family member of Vegas, my father. I want to have YouTube channel. This is not the time for look likes and views, brother. And try to break no story for get likes and views. But you do it all the time. And you get away with it. But me think so that one you go backfire. Because my daddy dead. And if I'm my son, you attack, and me and daddy. So who is daddy you attack? Which daddy? You have to provide the data which daddy. Just to protect the predators. And that we don't do all the time.
And then even I say, that be a foolishness Vegas and God and Vegas should never go on with them things that, you know what I mean? But what I gonna do, my people, I have a voice recording of this youth, Varney. You understand? We're gonna explain what really went down with him and this youth, you know what I mean? Vegas son, who Vegas, them CJ, whatever, who Vegas say is his son and whatever, go on and what happened to people and what him think would really lead to whatever, go on. So, just check.
I'm going to show you say you're one of the worst on YouTube and you have no education in the field where you're there and where you try to do. Because you claim say you have the field research. First and foremost, exposing, and the reason why I even mention the name is because you put it out there. So I want just, and we own it. I don't like where I hide. But first and foremost, at the first time these people even hear the name mentioned. Why would you release the name of the victim? You see? You see how no weak? Just to protect the predator.
This out my people.
This.
You see that? Commercial people. That was a commercial about the channel. That's about commercial you have, man. You're rich. Breaking story, you're rich. But it's good because you help. You help put it out there. So good for you.
Me and the youth where Vegas video. I talk about my molesting son. Not on a go so. I be a idiot, you see my talk. I show you how everything go now. When we are young youth, bro, when me about 12, I am about 8 anyway, I not even remember age group, but I them region there. All of my dog them can testify for me because them know about it. We catch films on our next youth, a fuck in the bush, you see me? After we catch them now, the dog half of my money. And he used to give me some money for don't talk all the while, you see it? So we used to keep it for them secret and just take the money from them.
Extortion that youth. But you hear the thing about this now. You say we who? We who catch them in a bush. Me think say when we go criminal with this, because we're gonna go criminal with this. So we who catch them in the 8-year-old them in the bush. We who? How old were those other people who catch them in the bush? You realize we just know? We who? We catch them in the bush? We who? So when you catch some 8-year-old in the bush, according to what you say, engage in sexual activities, I want to do what? What want to do?
Them know the dog half of my money. And he used to give me some money for don't talk all the while. You see?
So you go catch some 8-year-old in the bush and they offer your money? Well, look at 8-year-old pitney. Yeah? I offer money because they get caught in a sex act. We go catch them in a bush and they offer you money for not talk. Two little boy in a bush. You see him? I engage in sexual activities and you were older than them according to you because you say I did 12. So we work with your timeline. Your age and timeline. See? So how old were the other boys then? That we have got answer to. I want to know how comes a 12-year-old I take money from some 80-year-olds for not talk. And them continue to give you money for not talk. This is not a normal behavior in Jamaica. You see? So which 12-year-old and him friend them go catch 2 8-year-old and just say, alright, me take the money and not talk. And just go and take some money from them to keep it a secret. Is that to tell your wife? Is this to tell your wife? And she has to stay with you? We who catch them in a bush and them promise you money enough to talk. And you go and take the money from them to keep them secret. 8-year-olds? Carter 9. Carter 9, you know. And Jordan at 9. And when we look at them at 2, look at Pitney and run around same, you know. And Jalani at 13. But Jalani are like a big boy for them. So imagine a 12-year-old, you say about 12-year-old, and take money from some little 8-year-old and say, yo, me must say me catch you in the bush, you know, just. Give me the money, give me some money for not talk. You not tell your mother nobody at all? You just so, you know, such an extortionist, such a seasoned extortionist, that you just hold that you are your friend them. I want to tell no parents, I want to tell nobody at all. I want to just hold that.
So we used to keep it for them secret and just take the money from them. So now Vegas link me up.
I just take the money from them. So yeah, keep the secret for 2 little shaky youth. We are catching that bush. Yeah, keep secret for them for money. And we supposed to believe say you not shaky. We say keep talking, man. New links This is brought to you by New Links. I'm using this for educational purposes and what is going to be a criminal investigation. So New Links, be prepared to, yeah, and it's too late to take it down because we already saved it. Yeah.
On my phone yesterday, I said, well, go on. You want to link up a CJ, your father. So I said, alright, no problem. I'm going to come to BAM and send him a location. First thing, if me the guilty, I know say me molest a man pick me, why the fuck would me send him my location? That makes sense. Me know say me do such a act like that and me send him my location to come right at my foot.
No, me tell us I need to talk about CJ. I may ask if your mother lives same place. You forget the part there? I may tell us you're there on the clock. You forget the part there too? You never tell him the part there. You forgot so we have that in a text message? You forgot the part there? Alright.
You see me? When he come on my foot, the man asks me one question, how old me be? I tell him 23. The man asks me who he can call to verify that. The man call my mother and she tells me 23. Next thing the dog say, yo, me a video, you know. The man
No man, not so quick, brother. You jump too fast, man. You just walk out to me and tell me, say, you know what I come about. I say, yo, John, we had it pitney, and you want me hold it down and load it up because your wife soon forward and you're on a fair place and run because something. And when you tell me, say, when I did just pitney, me ask you how old you are. And you say 21. And that's what I call your mother. And that's what I call your mother, you know. If you tell me 23, you don't need to call your mother. Why would I need to call your mother? And when you tell me say at 23, me get mad. Because if you were really 21, me just say, yo, get help youth. I just know say, you know, fuck you, go on. And me just have to go deal with it. You see? So if you tell me 23, me don't need to call your mother youth. When I call your mother for verify fact, what me need to know if you are 23, you are adult for me pitney. So why would I need to call your mother to verify if you are 23? You're bad for fly, brother. If some people are dealing with it. 23, I don't need to call your mother. Now when you tell me say you're 23, I tell us I have to call your wife. And you tell me say, yeah, molest my boy from him at 13. You mess with him from him at 13. But if you got somebody to call your mother, you see, it wouldn't make no sense. What may I call your mother for?
I find the video on my face, and that's why I run off, coming out and go on the media or something. You see it? So when...
But the people them here on the video when me ask if you call your wife. You forget the part there on the video? The part there out there, you know. When you say me point the video in your face and you run off, you forgot say, when me tell us say you're live. When me tell us you're live, you know. See? It's serious, you know, people, but me can't cry to them. Me not go cry to them. Me not ball to them. The balling done people are forward we are going now. Criminal and beer things. So anyway, they just keep running. You give you something now if you go, you know, file a criminal complaint. And the youth them ready. So just go and run. No stop run, keep running. Me point video in your face and you know I go on camera. Then which man could have come point a video in my face and say, yo, you molest me pitney. And me run. Me I say, what you talk about? Me? So same thing when you come tell them man you know. You know, so I just tell me on the camera and I say, yo, me catch your boy and boy in a bush and me extort them or they say them give me money. Why you never just say that? Where you run go? Where you run for? I'm on point. And you know I go past social media. You run? So you forgot the part of me I tell you say, yo, you not call your wife. Call your wife. You forgot that part there? The way me I tell you to call your wife. If you tell her, say what? So you catch two little boy in the bush? But, you see it? It always end up that way, you know. The truth no need no defense, you know. When always, that's a predator stay. When the story change, when the story always don't make no sense until you get catch. Why you run up and down and have jump over fence and try to kill off yourself? If you just don't want a video in your face. Furthermore, you're even bigger than me and thicker than me. I look way stronger than me. So I like say me I go fight you. If a man come to me and me have the physique where you have and I say, yo, you molest my youth, you know. Right? A fight, you know. Big tick you a scale the fence. The way you scale the fence fast. And I just a camera me I say, yo, ask you a question and you run up and down, you know. And you drop, me never do nothing to make you, hold on, let me say if you did, hold on.
When him make it seem like I run for and don't talk to him, not like that, because the whole thing, for him even reach a my foot and me make him reach a my foot, kind of know what me there. So everything I'm a talk, bro, nothing that.
No, you make me reach your foot because you know why me load it up. You forgot that part there? You make me reach your foot because you know why me load it up for your wife here. Because I'm going to mash up your life. And that you say, yo, you're going to mash up my life, you're going to mash up my thing. You forgot that?
I don't go so. Run me down with the phone. I try painting on my face and I act like said and I body my body up. I even him one come, the man no come on of violence. I one question the man asks me. And I say, yo, how old you be? I'm going to tell him say I'm 23. And the man start painting the video and I say, yo, we can talk. And the man paint the video on my face and I just...
No, you never said that on the video so we can talk. You so much lie you're telling I want something. See your next lie there. You never say on the video so you can't talk. You say what me I do to you. Or something like that you say no, you know so we can't talk. If you say we can't talk, me don't make you talk. The whole world see video, you know. So you tell people say we can't talk. We can't talk about what?
Run off, because I don't want the camera in my face, as I tell you, bro.
Well, we established now, say you never in fear of your life or nothing at all, and you just run off through the camera in your face. But me never give no reason to be in fear of your life. Me never give no so you're right. So we are run for? The way you scale the fence and nail kill off for what? Me just ask you. How much are the youth them? How much more youth them molest? Because me know too. We share them story with me. And then tell me say other youth used to come over your grandmother's house. So here we go on, people. You're the wickedest thing about this now. You hear me talk about him dog them can vouch for him?
That is it. Everybody, all in grandfather, in a place as a madness, Vegas, I do the little boy that psychiatric ward right now. You see me? Long time something. Be a madness in my talk. His own mother kick him out of the house, bro.
Well, my viewer.
No, his mother never kick him out. Him check out of the house and go check in a room to kill himself. And him stepfather called me. He moved out of his mother house to hurt himself. Yes, he was in a psychiatric ward, based on what you're doing. So you're right about that. Say me in a psychiatric ward. Because you mash him up. And make him become suicidal. So you are correct about that. So why you are worried about him mother kick him out in this time when you're supposed to try prove your innocence? You have to about him mother kick him out? What's the business with that, brother? But no, what's the business with that? But you say your dog them know, your dog them can vouch for you. Let me tell the people how the boy dangerous. I show the boy dangerous. And it's not just my youth alone, people. I show the boy dangerous and the boy must be stopped. And the woman will put it out there. So me have to go up on the offense. Give thanks for you. You must can live with knowing said that youth get exposed before we catch him. The right way and catch him in the right settings. So him can come talk them things and I know say you watch this. See? You lady, I know say you watch this. I know say you have a son. And you say the feather the way you love talk about and your heart on the scale. Why you ask yourself this at night time when you go sleep? You see? Say, if the youth molest our next child, if your heart I go measure with the feather, I go weigh with the feather, balance with the feather. So you going out there go talk, you do some good for show the people them where we are dealing. I make them hear him voice. I make them hear how evil him is. But at the same time, you put it out there and mess up an investigation, an ongoing investigation where I work on Fenabim. In the act. Via text messages or any one of them something. So you put him on him guard. Force me to act before it get to him so him start. You know? Cover him tracks them. Start be too very careful. As me link him so him say me know, as me reach him so him say, me know where you come about. Obviously him see. So when I share it. About me youth. You know how him know about the psychiatric ward and him something? Because you talk. It seems. So, me hope so when you go your bed at night time and you look on your son in them eyes and feel good. If you know, say, you jump out there just to hurt me. And I know, say, maybe some victims you are hurt down the road. Because that youth we are 23 according to him. Him not reaching primate in the predatorial world. Him not reaching primate. And he's so crafty. And at this you make jump out there before time. Hooray to you. Remember you did say you have to win? Victory at last. Now you're dangerous now, people. You see the money thing when I talk about the extortion thing? I want to take note. Just take note on this, how dangerous the boy is. I want him come out here back come talk to. When you get him number, interview him. Everybody call him and interview him. Make him manager call me, because I come like him want an artist. When you interview him, name Vanny. Interview him. Vanny Wright. That time name. At least we know now him is an extortionist. At least we know that. We confirm that because I come from Theme Mouth, right? You see? The extortionist will keep shaky secret. Have little boys when catching a bush. You see? May I show you the boy dangerous. You see the next youth? We don't tell about my son, he molest my son from him a 7-8-year-old over him grandmother house. Zin, my little boy grandmother give him something to go give. Theme grandmother, he molest my little boy over the house. Zin, coerce him into sexual activities. Right? Boom. You see next to youth, and yes, he makes start them for true. See? But here him dangerous. You see next to youth? The next to youth and him go to the same school. Him in a 4th farm and the youth in a 1st farm when him start molest the youth. According to the youth. When him start molest the youth, you know what him do? Tell him friend them in the school. Say the youth, him catch the youth in a shaky business and make them extort the youth too. So the youth have to give them him lunch money every day. That's how that bumbo clat are wicked. Him molest the youth, you know. Go to school, go tell him friend them. Because remember I said them in a fourth farm, you know. And the youth just do first farm. The youth just reach first farm. See him? So you know him saying dogs them can vouch for him. Him molested. Remember I said in a fourth farm now, so we not deal with 12-year-old no more, you know. Fourth farm I mean I know. A Monroe. So what do you what I say? So him actually come confirm something whether you don't tell me. Implicate the next extortion is them when no we want to know who them too. Because you have to go get them name now. To prove your quote unquote innocence. Your dogs them when no we can vouch for you. Him go tell him dogs them say the youth in a shaky thing, so them to extort the youth. So them start take money from the youth too. Him and the youth them a dry a shake out the youth pocket every day at school. Here we wicked now. Outside of school. Him a extort the youth. You know, no man not 12 and 10, him in the fourth farm. I remember I say him physique is way above, you know, at 23-year-old, him look like a linebacker. You see him? If you see him look like a linebacker. Because even the woman we married to look way older than him, but you can't say them, it kind of, like, she look like a big woman for a 23-year-old. Right? Excuse me, you're at wicked now, no people. You're it wicked. This is how when you sleep on my blood clot death. Excuse my language, but I forget it in. You know who for phone him use a call the youth? Not my son this, you know. Right? You know who for phone him use a call the youth for extort him and not text the youth for extort him? You know who for phone him I use a text the youth for $3,000 or $5,000? Him mama. According to the youth. So you lady, that's why you get so defensive when I called her yesterday. You, in my view, you know where I'm going. In my view. Him are using mama phone to start a fucking 11, 12-year-old. Just make that sink in, people. So I'm glad say him come out and come talk, you know. So everything where the virus did hope to be something where I go rub me out and wipe me out and expose my son, and people up on the internet are going to send me a fish son and all of them things. We have a more serious situation now. Because now, him a talk about him dogs and we can vouch for him, but not knowing, I am not telling you that the dogs them, I friend them at Monroe College, when make shake out the youth pocket, I extort the youth. After him I molest the youth, according to the youth. And who for phone him I use? Him mama phone. You see? So even the mama, right now when this go criminal, and if that youth there willing to cooperate as well, saying willing to cooperate, we are going to want your phone too. And nobody thinks you can hide it. If you want to get the phone, we go for the record them now at the cable company. Whether Flow or whether Digicel. All we have to do is summons the record. So run out, you keep talking. Come out, go interview the mama now to New Links. We come out, come be him attorney. You will go school for be attorney. You interview him again. Interview the mama now. I ask her if she ever seen no message on her phone. I ask, we ma text little boy them for money. So if the mama know about it, what kind of mama see her 16, 17-year-old, I text a little 12-year-old for money? And obviously, even if him not text and I say, yo, Ray, you must see my text and ask the money. So why would your son be asking these kids the money? Why? Jamaica is a place, people, where all the parents them know where you're going. The mama them know where you're going sometimes. The auntie them, the grandmother them know where you're going. And turn a blind eye. Because the mama, obviously, in my view, did I get something out of the extortion money. Where him come tell you no, pan the interview when do with New Links. Same dogs them and him used to take the money from them. So I make it sound like he go catch 2 8-year-old in a bush. And then promise to pay him and him just go and take the money from them. Him and him dogs them. Him dogs them can vouch for him. So hope when we bring the case and the next youth come forward, me hope when them summons the fucking phone record, the mama can explain how your son I take money from the little boy them. And I have other youth in the school, after you are molest the youth, I tell the other youth them say, him shaky. And through the little youth afraid of you, afraid of the boy them, afraid to get exposed. Because when you use blackmail them, according to the two youth them, my youth and the youth, when you use blackmail them, you have to tell people say, them a fish. So your story actually match up with what them tell, where my boy tell film psychiatrist. Well done. And tell me. So if nobody else don't know, guess what? Me know. If nobody else don't know and nobody else don't want to believe, say you molest me pitney, me know because you tell me. Say you molest him when he was 13. Him tell me say when he was 13 it stopped. Because him decide say nah, take your bullying anymore and your extortion. How old you were when you keep the secret for the fish them? Yeah, your friend them around college. As so much I only that keep shaky people secret for money. That's a cause of concern, youth. That in itself is a cause of concern. You go catch two little boy and you extort them according to you and your friends them. And you and your friends them go catch them. We are going to know your friends them, we go catch them. Because now we know, say, I know you alone go see them. So hope you have the name them and them ready to come back here in your testimony. Because we are go criminal. So the fence we run over, don't stop run. You not hurt the next blood clot child. Every blood clot time you look on a pitney, you are going to see me pussy clot face. I run you down with the camera. According to what you say. Me never run you down. Me just have the camera on. Want to ask you some questions. You see? Every fucking time you go for molest a child, you go see my face. You go hear my voice. You go think about it. Because you go wonder, say, I wonder if them look at you, your father still like blood clot Vegas. We don't give a fuck what people want to say when you put you on blast. Because me not hide. Because my opinion have nothing to be ashamed about. And the youth when me talk to, the next youth. And remember, so the story where you tell them about my youth are the same story you tell me about the next youth too. So keep talking and keep blood clot running, because there is no peace for you. You see? And I'm my pitney. So me I go fight you until me your blood clot close. Are the wrong one, your blood clot pick pan. With every fucking ounce of energy we may have left on this earth here. I have to remind you, say, you can't bumbo clot trouble people pitney and then extort them. You see that? So the blood clot real war just start. You see? Forget you behind blood clot bars. Or keep you running. Anybody in the neighborhood where I live? I want to get that interview the way I do and listen to it. Anybody down at St. Elizabeth? We never believe. Get this interview and listen to it. When do? Pan new links. Promote the fuck out of it. Spread him shame. And make him keep blood clot running. You see how fast you jump the fence? You see how fast you jump the fence? We are robot. That's something the way boy pitney can't talk because we don't extort them and tell them say people are going to call them Batman. Nobody going to call them no Batman. I ignorant dunce people on internet here say pitney get molested and call them Batman. Is it ignorant dunce illiterate people when they know what it is to empathize with people? They are not loving at them. We victimize victims. Double victimization. Educated people on social media don't support that. So little boys when they get molested, don't make nobody tell us that they're going to extort on our blackmail. You know. Talk. And let me tell you this. Maybe there's a chance that he was molested. Based on how early them same start. But let me tell you this. If my pitney touch our next pitney, me want they will not have blood clot stone him. You see that? Me will stand up with you and fling too. Because the cycle of the end. So if my pitney go touch a pitney, I'll me a stone too. Learn that blood clot. So now because people get violated means they never continue the cycle. So me just make you know that straight. My fight are for victims, not for predators. So new links, good job. Do another interview and make certain you present the data of what you say you have with my family members them. Yeah? And see my disclaimer there at the bottom. Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for the material I just used from New Links promotion. Big up on yourself, people. Have a great day. Keep fighting.